Hello there, it's Haley from SevereWeatherTV.com with the Severe Weather Outlook for July 29th. Yes, so what is happening at the moment? In the Atlantic, we have a tropical disturbance, that's what it's called in English, yes, who could be future tropical storm Bertha. In the Eastern Pacific, Hernan has turned into a remnant low-pressure area or whatnot. Genevieve in the Central Pacific has re-strengthened and is active again. And in the North Pacific, two different storms, Halong and Nakri. We'll talk about those shortly. In Mexico for today, they have the potential for torrential rains in this red area. You don't see the red area show up very often. And then the potential for intense rains and then strong to very strong rains in quite a large part of the country today. In the US today, supposedly no organized severe thunderstorms forecast, but if it still holds, we'll talk about that in a second. In Canada, severe thunderstorm watches in effect right there. So here's what's happening here. Lots and lots of things. Let's talk about Bertha first, just because. This is what, 93? Yes, 93 AL, who, if you go to the spaghetti models, if this were to turn into an actual storm, a lot of them in this area here, this is the area where it becomes a tropical storm. A lot of the models are foreseeing that. So this could potentially be Tropical Storm Bertha in the Atlantic. Obviously something to keep an eye on. But at this moment, still just a probability area, not officially a storm. This is Hernan, who has degenerated into a remnant low. And then Genevieve is back in action in the Central Pacific, but no threat to land on that one. And then these two things, where the JTWC again, only acknowledging this as a medium chance of tropical cyclone formation, was the JMA is tracking it as Tropical Storm Nakri, which is kind of an interesting situation there. So, Tropical Storm Halong, however this is pronounced here, are some satellite images so you can see how close it is to the islands. In Guam, what they've got, this area I believe is the one that has the typhoon warning. These areas are tropical storm warnings and or typhoon watches. I think pretty much everybody probably has the flash flood watch, but of course you can't even see the green, and probably everybody has the HISF advisory. There again are these satellite images of Halong. And yes, in the Philippines, which tab is it? There we go. This thing that they are calling in day, which I believe is Nakri, they are expecting the possibility for moderate to heavy rains with this tropical depression. And of course, it is moving towards Taiwan in the future at some point. So yes, that is what is happening with that thing. In the United States, I kind of skipped a few things there. This is an overview of the severe thunderstorm threat, which is to say not much. However, okay, so it is still in effect. We're going to talk about something. So there's a severe thunderstorm warning in effect right there, and there's a special marine warning in effect right there. And as we skip over to today, supposedly nothing is forecast at all. So I bring that up because obviously there's a severe thunderstorm warning in effect at the moment. So that's why, you know, just because it's not in the cards doesn't mean, of course, that you can have a severe thunderstorm warning or whatnot here and there. That's why you got to pay attention all the time. Pay attention. Tomorrow, though, 5% chance for this area of Oklahoma and Texas. So, yes. But it's pretty quiet. No tornado outbreaks in the next few days. Knock on wood. Is that an expression? Yeah. That is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.